So I recently got in this Twsbi 580, Diamond 580 fountain pen. I picked it up in the broad size after using the Eco for a fair bit. I really like the Eco, so I couldn't really resist picking up the 580. Again, and I bought the standard 580 as opposed to the 580 AL. I'll do a review, but I just want to do a quick unboxing. Plastic case inside a cardboard box. Comes with some padded foam, just like keep everything protected. Here we have instruction manual. And I'll follow this up with a full review, so don't worry about any details about the pen. This is just gonna do the quick unboxing. I took this out previously, but I have not used the pen yet. Everything is wrapped in that nice foam. That way the pen stays in good condition as it ships, very well protected. These sides are held in place with some stickers. Again, nice and secure. I was very happy with how this shipped. It was in a plastic padded envelope, and everything was in great condition. The pen itself is held in place in this sort of little pedestal. These plastic clips pull out, and they just hold the pen down so it's not bouncing around in the box or in the jewel case or whatever. And we just pull that up, pull that up. There it is, Twsbi 580. Not the 580 AL, but just the standard Diamond 580. And we'll do a full review, or I'll do a full review, so we can get into all the details about the pen and the nib and all that stuff, but that's gonna take a few days to get out. Here's the plastic case. Some information on the back in case you're curious about it. And this does open up, yeah. And here we have a little wrench for removing the piston. And this wrench just has some plastic on it, so it ships nice and polished. And then we have some, this is the silicone grease. Yep. And this is for if and when you want to service the piston, you could put some of that silicone grease to let it move up and down nice and easily and maintain that seal over time. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the Twsbi 580. I'll be following this up with a full review in a couple weeks or a couple days, we'll see. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will be also doing a comparison between the 580 and the Eco, which I think are the two most attractive pens under the $60 mark, but I guess I'll have to test this out more and see. Thanks for watching.